How to sell USDT in Bitget. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about selling USDT in Bitget, that is P2P trading in Bitget. So now let's get started. So to sell the USDT, you need to have the USDT in your funding account. Therefore, you must transfer your USDT to your funding account. I have my USDT in my spot wallet, so I will transfer it from my spot wallet to my funding account. And the process is same if you're transferring from the futures. Just select the coin and confirm. So once my USDT is transferred, you have to click on the P2P transaction option. That is just below the buy option. You can also edit this section and keep the options according to your preference. Click on P2P. P2P stands for peer-to-peer trading. After that, you can apply filters. You have to select any app you use as your payment option, and then you can set a price range in the limit section. And it's important to compare the prices to find the best offer that gives you the highest price for your USDT. Next, add your payment method, and then you can sell USDT with no fees. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can sell USDT in Bitget. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.